everyone, it's Dave with Dave's Auto DIY. Today I'm tackling a job I've been putting off for a couple years. I'm going to try to repair the middle button on our 2016 Honda Pilot Homelink. It stopped working most of the time years ago. My solution was just to reprogram one of the other buttons to work the garage door. But today I'm going to try to address why the middle button doesn't work. So let's see if we can figure it out. You're watching Dave's Auto DIY. Okay, so our first step is to get these lens covers off. And I'm using a flathead screwdriver along the inside edge, and you can pry those lens covers off. And we'll do the other one. You sort of press up on the outside and then pry these loose. Then that exposes a screw that is in behind that cover, one on each side. And there's two more screws up under the sunglasses holder. Okay, so now it looks like there are 1, 2, 3, 4 wire plugs that we'll need to disattach to get this unit off the ceiling. So I've got it off. Let's go to my workbench to take this module off. Okay, so this is the Homelink module. It looks like there are 2 screws holding it onto the back of the ceiling unit. These are the Homelink buttons, and these are the buttons from inside the car. Let's see, does there anything look broken here? Nothing looks broken to me. Perhaps it's just worn out and there's just too much play in between where the button is and the button on the inside. So when I got it apart, there was no obvious damage to the button, so I figure it is just loose. So I tried to add a little bit of a spacer. I used a felt that you would use for cushioning the bottom of a chair leg and put it in there. That was a little too thick. So then I found a little bit of a thinner sticker. This was a little sticker I had that was supposed to be used to make your glasses, the nose on your glasses, a little bit more comfortable. It fit, and I took up some of the space between where the button that you press goes and this button. So we're going to try to put it back together and see if it works. Okay, so let's go reinstall it. I'm going to install the green plug in where the Homelink module goes. This one is it's the microphone. So there's some clips here that slide in underneath the roof panel. We can attach the screws back into the light area. And the 2 screws in underneath the sunglasses holder. And we will re-clip in the light covers. And now the moment of truth. Does it work? It worked! Imagine that. All it took was a little bit of a sticker inside, and now the Homelink is working. It hasn't worked for years. I'm so happy. So I'm rather surprised it was that easy, but it worked. So I hope you learned something. I hope you hit subscribe, and I hope to see you next time on Dave's Auto DIY.